How long was it?
I don't.
Good. Let's go. Let's go.
Ireland on the charts this morning.
Don't know, I should just start looking.
Yeah. Package. Let's go there. Let's go. Friday.
Yeah.
Friday.
No. Holiday. We gained another subscriber last night, which is good.
Is it?
Yeah, I don't know who it is. Doesn't say.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Are you looking at the lookout out high? Well, it's like much more than 4 hour thing. That.
It's what?
It's more than 4 hour.
Yeah.
Looking setup, you know.
4 hour. Yeah.
I'm looking on EJ. I'm looking at shorts on the 4 hour underneath below that green candle.
EJ. Alright, yeah. Yeah, that's the last significant high on the 4 hour, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it's good because this candle closes in 18 minutes.
Yeah. There's actually on the 15-minute kind of an inside leg that's just work. And because it's not fully bearish yet, it needs to be there.
Yeah, the 30 minutes bullish.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, it was yesterday. I don't know, I haven't even broken this down yet.
Yeah, it is. It's still there. Which is not good now. But if this 4 hour, if it gets to that 4 hour low, then it's fine because the 4 hours confirm that that's the high. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, daily structure's bearish, the weekly is bearish. How's that looking now? I bet it's not actually bearish.
Yeah.
No, it's not bearish now, it's week bullish now, it's the weekly candle.
But your audio is horrendous.
The what?
Your audio is horrendous.
Is it?
Yeah. So it's weird, isn't it? It gets better as you go through.
It seems to be as the computer settles down.
So again, dog. Yeah, this daily as well, like pushed up and made a lower high, didn't it?
Yeah.
Very good, very nice.
Yeah, it's not bearish at all. On the 30 minute.
No.
It's got to get all the way back down to this blue box I've got drawn.
Yeah, to be honest, it'd be like it's almost a 4 hour cruise.
Yeah, well, it's a 4 hour inside leg, I guess, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Read. Yeah, yeah.
Pound dollar is like it's bullish, but it's currently in like a micro down.
Yes.
It says on mine that we've got 3 likes.
I can't hear you.
It says on mine that we've got 3 likes, but what's on mine?
Yeah, it always seems to do that. Don't know why.
There you go, there. Yeah, this EGO should be pretty nice out that low.
Yeah.
Especially this next 4 hour candle should give you a tight stop loss. Hopefully.
Yeah, that's a good thing, isn't it? Another 13 minutes is you can just wait, can't you, for it to show what it's going to do.
Yeah. Yeah, you can. Gold finally.
Most things are like, the thing is the 4 hour on Euro yen is bearish. Oh, sorry, the 30 minute on Euro yen is bullish.
Yeah, it's a 4 hour trade.
Yeah. Yeah, you'll probably hold some drawdown potentially, I think. Maybe. You know, as it starts flipping. It'll probably hit significant low and retrace back above entry probably. But yeah, that's, like you say, you're looking at it on the 4 hour, like you say.
Yeah, man, yeah. It's hard to tell, isn't it?
Yeah.
The dollar CAD's like still technically bearish, but on the weekly it looks like it's
I can't decide if I've got the music loud or it's quiet this morning.
So, I'm speaking same as a hammer did.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Turn the music down a bit. Might be the music's loud. I can hardly hear you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're definitely quiet. If that was a normal, yeah, if that was a normal one. Dirty Moses Blush.
On your dollar,
Yeah.
put the high on the 15 minute. It was a really nice inside leg before this move down. Right up at the high. This is the 9-1.
Oh, here. Yeah. Yeah.
That was an absolute killer.
That was last night.
You want to know why running on the treadmill this week doesn't work even trying to lose weight? Because it never has. It's hard to believe.
That's like 1 to 3 target. 1 to 3.
Below. Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. Nice man, nice. Fucking hell, I was the Wonderland. It's gone all weird.
Is it back on now?
One sec, I'll refresh. Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Both screens went blank.
Yeah, that's what it did it on the stream, it all went white.
Yeah, this computer's definitely not up for this job. Definitely not. Yeah. I'm gonna have to. I think I'm gonna have to start running it in 720p.
Oh, did you not do it?
No. That's why it's in
I thought you were going to do it this morning.
You can't do it in the morning. It's quite a big job.
I thought you were going to sort it out for this morning.
Oh, for the morning.
Try it.
Yeah, no, never did it. Never did it.
Lock the door, turn the lights down low. Dee-dee-dee-dee. Baby, lock the door, turn the lights down low. It's not into the deal.
It's not, is it?
Not yet, yeah. There's an inside leg on dollar card. Looking the 30-minute right now, but that looks weird. That looks very strange. There's no way I'm taking that on the initial move.
Yeah, the camera. Structure flip down, probably. Nope. It's actually not that much.
No.
Can't deal with how jumpy this is. I'm definitely gonna have to try and run it low, I think. God. God's sake. This range. I'm not seeing anything, to be honest.
No. Can we have enough carry through?
You are.
Just have enough to carry through. Maybe lock the doors and turn the lights down low.
Yeah, the double dollar cards you thought I was bullish.
Yeah, no, that's the only thing, innit?
Yeah.
But so the daily's bearish, the 30 minutes bearish as well.
Yeah. What's that look like up for?
Bullish, you say?
Yeah, it does.
But the 4 hours are about to close.
That's the good thing about getting up at this time, actually, you know. Like, you do get you get like 2 4-hourly closes. You get like this one now, and there's one obviously one at 10, but you can catch this candle at least, can't you? Like the start of it, so. Bombs away.
What's that?
Yeah. Wasn't it? She's
Yeah. The doors and turn the lights down low. Those all cards. Because right now it's bearish on the daily, bullish on the 4 hour, but then it's bearish on the 30 minute. But the 30 minute is at the significant high of the 30 minutes. So if this goes any higher, that means the 30 minutes flipping bullish. So basically, like, yeah, if it's going to go short, it'll be from here.
Yeah, I would rather it for it to go above that area and then retrace and then long.
Yeah.
I would rather it come up here. I would rather.
You would rather.
I'd rather see a close above here and then pull back to here. And then inside leg for the long.
Yeah.
That's really badly drawn. You can actually draw pretty neat, you know, with the pen. Like, you can get a pretty good line.
Yeah, when you get used to it.
Yeah, I think that's what I want to see. Above there. Yeah, I'd rather see that, I think, for Dolcad.
Yeah. It seems more.
It's made too much of a leg to want to take a break out. For me, I wouldn't want to take a break out on that, because this pause that it's created hasn't really paused. It's continued moving up. I'd rather if it had pulled back properly. So where it's at now, if this had pulled back to like here or here, and then started driving up, then maybe it'd have taken a break out. But it's just kept going on it. It's just printing candles which are higher than the previous one.
Yeah. Exactly, man, exactly. Exactly, gasoline. Well, EJ. The candles opened on EJ.
Definitely gives you a better stop there, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's pretty, if that was the high of the candle, it's pretty good. If that's the high of the candle, then it's,
Yeah.
1 to 4, 1 to 4-ish. Well, just over 1 to 4.5.
Is that all the way to the lower?
Yeah. Got on Dolcad, I was insane yesterday.
I know, that's like ridiculous, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
that's
fantastic.
XRP's at 10% this morning.
Oh, yeah.
XRP's at 10% this morning from yesterday.
How's that? Bit crazy.
It's a big jump, isn't it?
RP, XRP.
Well, I am not seeing very much this morning.
No.
Nothing's just quite in the right place for me.
But Dolcad was bearish on the 4 hour. I'd maybe consider it, like the proportions all out. The small inside leg of what looks like an inside leg is actually a consolidation, really. Like it's not proper move, is it?
No. It isn't, Jimmy. Very quiet this morning, lad.
Am I?
Yeah. You know what's it closer?
No? Same as normal.
Your voice just must be funny this morning then.
Maybe. Yeah, $1 would be nice for a breakout short if it was bearish. But
Yeah.
It probably will work because it's in a range, so it's probably going to go back to the lows of the range. But that's not
Yes,
really
it's a proper set. But the thing is, you're in the middle of the range as well, aren't you? So.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, EJ is the nicest.
Yeah, it does look the best one to be fair.
So,
It's just boring as hell trading the 4 hour. Especially on a Friday. Yeah, so what, your TP will be like, what, 78-ish, probably 80, is it?
TP, yeah.
Yeah.
In that way, and then to be honest, it could even go further because of it, unless it's going to be bullish, because this is the last high that it can make.
Before it flips, yeah.
Yeah, like this move down, if it gets to that low, that will be the decider. It's like it's either going to keep going and it will continue to be bearish, or the direction's going to flip.
Skyrockets in flight. Yeah.
The daily's bearish as well, so.
That is one thing that's going with it, actually.
The daily's bearish, 4 hours bearish. The bigger time frame is bearish. The 30-minute is not.
Yeah, I'd probably just go to 805, I think. With it.
Yeah. 805.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, Joe was saying that it's only 50% round. Well, to be fair, Luke said that as well today.
50%? That's pretty easy, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Apparently you drive half and half. So he'll drive half, I'll drive half.
Ah, right. Oh, cool. It's different if you're on the MetaTrader 4.
Yeah, will be.
The low is 273.
It's just somewhere like that. Oh, what? The entry?
Yeah. The 4 hours different timing, that. The 4 hours are different timing.
Yeah.
So they've closed completely differently. Like your stop isn't technical on MetaTrader 4.
Yeah, but it is what it is, you know.
I think that sometimes when you could potentially get manipulated, you know, like that might be why it manipulates itself on trading view, maybe sometimes. You know, like if you get wicks and stuff like that.
Manipulated.
You are?
Manipulated.
Yeah. I reckon that could be actually part of it.
Okay.
What point does it flip the page?
What's that?
Just looking at dollar candles. I'm just looking based on the daily time frames, like what looks a probable move for the next daily candle. Pound dollar. I think the only two which look good. Obviously Euro yen looks pretty good, but I think Euro US dollar short and pound dollar long, which is really annoying because it's the opposite. But,
yeah.
But based on candles and structure.
I think pound dollar will go lower though, which will push Euro dollar lower, and then I think pound dollar will go lower before it goes long.
Yeah, potentially it could come and test the bottom of the range again, because it's pushed up this morning. It pushed up, came back, then it's come back down. So it pushed up, tested the high, then came back down. Didn't more or less. So.
Yeah.
So if I go on EU, and I go on a 30-minute on EU. Yeah, no way you can enter Euro US dollar.
No.
It looks shite.
Yeah, no, I looked at it.
Yeah, it needs to be beneath this area. I think. Well, depends how you want to play it really. What's on the 15? That is the high. Yes, the 15-minute significant lows here as well. That I've got drawn on the box. So it's sitting on the 15-minute and the 30-minute significant low. Yeah.
Yeah, no, you can't do anything from there. It's in a bad position.
They're all in bad. That's the thing with pound dollar. Pound dollar's in a critical position as well. It's in that middle of that massive bullish candle. That bullish leg that it made.
Yeah.
We'd have to flip. The old switch.
That's what you're on. 15 minutes there, but that's about it.
Yeah. I'm stumped this morning.
Simon.
see the sun.
I feel like Pandola's gonna drive lower.
Yeah. Yeah, see, that's what I'm like. That kind of ties in with, well, it didn't tie with Uriah still actually, because I was thinking Uriah still might go long a bit first.
Look at your case to each other.
That's the thing, isn't it? It's always awkward trading two pairs against each other.
Yeah. It does. Dollar card is going to be interesting.
Well, what's she doing?
Because it's pushing up. The only thing with dollar card is like, I don't know if I take it or not because it doesn't look right. But like, it didn't get to the low and it's pushing up, and then if all of a sudden it's just flipped down to the lows, then it would probably break and go lower. Like it shouldn't. This should just continue. But then again, you feel like you're massively going against it.
Yeah, it does feel like going against it.
It's like if you look at that trade, and then look at some previous trades that we've taken that have worked, it looks nothing like it.
No, exactly. Yeah, it looks nothing like a normal trade that we take.
No, not for short. Well, not for a long either, but definitely not for a short.
Not for either. Yeah, exactly. Everything's against itself, really.
Friday pullbacks, innit?
Yeah.
Friday pullbacks, innit?
It is. It is. Proper is.
That was good. Proper good.
I think we'll have to let a couple of candles play out first. It's like I wouldn't want to short the pound, like pound yen, you know. Well, obviously you can't anyway because it's all bullish, but like even in the position it's in, you can't really do anything with it, like short it out. The only thing you could do is wait for it to get beneath this area. But it'll be a crappy short. Because you'd have everything against you still. Well, you've got daily structure on your side, so you'd have the daily candle would be bullish, the daily candle would be bearish, the 30 minute would be bearish. That's all. You'd still have the 4 hour against you.
Yeah.
I think you need the 4 hour on your side, to be honest.
Yeah, it shows the daily momentum. This is a prime example of the force out.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You just give stuff back, you just give profit back.
I was just watching the stream then on the phone, and like it's actually like It's not glitchy at all on the street. Even in 1080p. No. I just watched it then. If you go on 4G on your phone and watch it, like even in full HD, it's absolutely fine. Then again, I wasn't clicking around and all. So.
Clicking around.
I had a dream last night. Someone asked us to get. Oh, I think it was Sam. You know Sam Joe.
Yeah.
I had a dream that he asked us. He said, "Oh, do you fancy going surfing?" No, it wasn't Tom. It wasn't Sam. It was Tom Caffrey. He sent me an Instagram message saying "surf?" Oh, like, do you fancy surfing with like a laugh of face? Weird. You know? Obviously because we can't go.
Proper weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like dream.
It wasn't very long. It lasted like a minute. Well, it probably lasted like a second then in my head. But yeah. He said, do you fancy a surf? And I was like, we can't. Yeah. If I start clicking, are you watching it now?
Yeah.
If I start clicking around, what's it like?
Is that alright?
Isn't it? It's not that bad, is it?
Yeah, it's smooth. I'm way clear as well.
Yeah, no, I was thinking that. Maybe like focuses all of the like the CPU usage into streaming properly.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, no, that
Looks fine, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's wicked.
I don't know what's a bit. Are you watching it on your phone?
You are?
Are you watching it on your phone?
I'm not anymore.
So I'll keep dancing on the broken glass. So let's keep dancing on the broken glass.
Yeah, they've literally had the best swell ever. It's been insane.
What is typical?
To be fair, like, you know, billboards in Tenerife. I've got the surf forecast at billboards on my Magic Seaweed account, and apparently it's a 4-star wave today. Which means, you know, when we were there, and it was like it's a 2-foot swell, and it was absolutely bombing on it.
Yeah.
It says 5 to 8 foot.
Yeah.
It's probably triple over it. Probably triple over it.
That's enough. That's bloody crazy.
I guess one thing you could wait for. Oh no, because it's bullish. Ignore me. I was going to say, you could wait for pound yen to come back into this area and then wait for an inside leg, but you'd be going against every single burst if there is, other than the candle. I was thinking it was bearish for some reason, because that would have been nice, and it would have made a slightly higher high than the previous high, but lower than the significant high.
Yeah. Yeah, I think EJ. Oh no, hang on a minute. EJ's friggin'. Oh, I thought I was looking at GJ then.
That we're having a mirror this morning. Have you seen that wick on pound yen?
Wiki?
On
looking.
Left. You can't miss it.
Yeah, good deal.
He did it in like a minute or two.
See that bad boy go against you. What about?
Yeah. Like, no. Or if your entry was a piercing, man.
Yeah, damn. Yeah, dollar card will probably push lower if it creates a slow.
Yeah.
It'll probably go down, but it doesn't look anything like in a position that I'd take something so.
No,
I'll leave it. If you think if you actually gone like the 5 minute, the low of say like the kind of inside leg, that's the last significant on the 5 minute as well. So like the 5 minute will be something. The 5 minute's currently bullish.
Yeah, so once that starts flipping.
So that'll flip and then everything else will probably go down.
Yeah, it's also the 15 as well. Well, no, it's not. Well, yeah, it is.
It is actually.
Yeah, it is.
It wasn't, and then now it is. You and me going something. I'll tell you what, right? There was a trade that we was in. It's on the Instagram page. I think it was maybe from Thursday last week, and like it was on the iTalk.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. It like went nicely into profit, like just gradually moving down, and then all of a sudden it like proper like jumped. I remember like when you're in it and it does that, you're like, oh.
Did it reverse? Yeah.
No, it like proper went with me.
Oh really? Alright.
I can't remember what trade it was. I'm sure I found it. Yeah, it was like, you know when it proper pushes in your direction.
Yeah.
When you're in it, you're like, yeah. Give me some money.
Give me some money.
That trade yesterday was proper nice. That was one of them trades where like you look at it and you're like, yes.
Yeah, it was perfect, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. It was perfect.
It's true, isn't it? 21st of January. Yeah, last Thursday it was on EU. My body melted splendidly. Lock them doors and turn the lights down low. The EJ is probably, and again, still bearish on the far right technically, but the EJ long out of this resistance.
EJ?
Yeah, but I'm not taking it because it's against far hour. My hands are a bit tidy.
Yeah, you're getting your point. You're getting your point now.
Yeah, that's the thing. I'm not going to take it because I don't know. I feel like we're kind of in like a decision area as well, because if this goes long in the 4 hours flipping, so we're kind of in like an area where it's going to probably mess about a bit.
Mm-hmm.
Or like absolutely send it. Yeah, pound dollar longs will be good as well. Because sorry, pound yen longs. 30-minute break of that previous red candle.
They would be good, or they will be good.
It probably will be good. But It doesn't turn the lights down low. Sing me that song that's nice and slow.
Yeah, EJ. Just want to keep moving your stop on EJ.
What's that?
Just want to keep moving your stop on EJ. Yeah, GJ above that, above the 143268.
1 for
Ish. That area. It's that area, innit?
yeah, like it looks like that entry. I don't know, it's in a bit of a weird place, but like
Yeah, this
now,
is kind of weird.
the last green candle.
Yeah.
Pushed that red one and then engulfed it back above it. So it's probably that's like quite a bullish sign, but then it never broke that high.
Yeah.
I
I don't know. I think it's just a Farsi trade sort of morning.
Yeah, definitely. Defo, mate, defo.
Definitely.
Pause, turn the lights down low, Adam. Sing me a song that's nice, slow. Boom, 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 boom. Golcad's one of them ones that's it's like it's probably going to go down because it shouldn't have. It's like found that resistance, but then it's like you can't expect it to just make a clean move all the way down that massive leg. Like it might do, but it's one of them things where you just I don't know. That, like you want to feel it when it's not in proportion. It doesn't feel right.
No, like it's made a massive move, and that's not enough consolidation. It might, like you say, it might do it, but it doesn't feel like enough consolidation for the shot.
No.
Like to be comfortable taking it, because with this one now, on the 15, you could take it with your stop above 60. You could take it with like a 4-pip stop, which just seems like you get spiked out.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Those last two 30-minute closes don't fill me with much confidence though if you were shorting that.
What's that?
Those last two 30-minute closes are very indecisive candles, aren't they?
Yeah, so
I don't know, I don't really give a shit, I'm not taking it anyway.
no, it's not.
It's not worth it, I don't really care. I don't care enough to...
You don't care, do you, man?
No, if it moved, I won't be that bothered.
Yeah, no, I'm same. I'm not bothered.
Yeah, so
Something to look at on it.
Yes. Yeah, you just...
Yeah.
It would be quite nice to see a slightly higher high on EJ.
EJ?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I think if you had a slightly higher high on EJ and it creates an inside leg, you could potentially short it on this inside leg.
What's that on EJ?
Yeah. Look at the significant. So it's created the high. Well, yeah, it's kind of created that retrace on it, and it's now sitting on the inside of it.
Yeah.
But again, you've got the 30-minute against you.
It's all just a body mess.
Yeah, they're all just contradicting themselves this morning. There's nothing that's as clean as a baby's anus.
Windows and turn the lights down low. Nice and slow. We are family. Don't get on my sisters and me. Es kan losken. Did you leave it?
Pardon?
Did you leave?
No,
It just went like quiet, but like more quiet than normal. You know, like you just not talking.
I must have stopped breathing.
He's dead.
I'm dead. I'm as dead as a doornail.
Adam, come back to us.
No.
We lock the doors and turn the lights down low.
Dun dun dun. Digga 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 dun dun. Digga 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 dun dun. Digga digga onions on dum. Onion onion onion. Pound with dollar. With. At the floor beneath the light down low.
Definitely sound like wrong lyrics then.
Definitely. I don't know what it says.
Baby, lock them doors and turn the lights down low.
Nah, I don't think it did. I think they're the wrong lyrics. Why don't you lock doors now and do something good with that down?
Go on then, please, fam. We should get Gallon on there, mate.
No, I reckon we should. Guest.
How are we doing this Monday?
Oh, fantastic news.
She's a lovely lady.
Sniffing. She loves her ears tickling. Ho ho ho.
Aww. Visken. The lights down low. Let me go in right nice and slow.
Ho 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 ho.
Ho ho ho, through and go. Up on the housetop, clickety click. Down through the chimney. Good. So I told you GJ we're gonna go on. You know, after the break of that 30 minute. 30 minutes.
Yeah, it's just started, isn't it? Just started pushing.
Start that damn move. But to be honest, I was too late on the entry. And
You would be too late up there. You'd be too late up after that candle anyway. You'd have to have you stop beneath that candle, wouldn't you?
yeah.
Beneath that, the 30 minute which is closed.
Yeah, 7 years.
Oh, Dolakod's making a move as well.
Yeah, isn't it?
Oh. This is where it rinses everyone and stops you out. Ha ha. Ha! It's very
The 5 minute close below the low. We actually fully closed below the significant one.
The 5 and the 15.
Not 15. I gotta go and take it.
You make me feel. This is our stop to break even. Stop.
Lock them doors and turn the lights down.
Oh, it's a busy stream this morning.
Yeah,
It's a busy stream this morning.
I know. People are flooding in. Yeah, I knew you told me it was a lie. I'll be there every day. Don't come to me.
And I'm gonna tell my friends about you. No, no.
Tell me. Lock them doors and turn the lights down low. Bada bing bong bing 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 bing, nice and slow. I feel like Dollar Cab will go either one or two ways. Now it's broken that low. It'll either flip and explode or it will melt.
Is it bad that I know what you mean when you say that?
What do you mean?
But I know melt means down and explode means long.
Yeah, that's what they mean. That's what they mean, don't they?
No, but the average person wouldn't know that.
Alright, no.
Like if you said, "Oh, if this might melt or it might explode," like they're gonna be like, "Well, what? What's that mean?"
Some science experiment.
It's a chemical
If
reaction.
you like, if you like think of it in that way, it sounds like a proper funny.
Yeah, sure. I was listening to you.
Computer just turns into like mush.
Yeah, it's either gonna melt, it's gonna explode.
Whoa! Stand back. Laptop just blows up.
Yeah, might do.
Yeah, I'm gonna late, my bloody.
Diddle-dee.
Diddle-doo.
Diddle-dee, diddle-doo.
Diddle-doo.
Diddle-dee-da-dee-da-dee.
Diddle-doo, diddle-doo. If someone comes on stream and be like, what the frick is that?
They're coming to a yodeling con. Diddle-dee. Diddle-dee, diddle-doo. Maybe we should get going.
Diddle-dee, diddle-dee.
And diddle-dee-da-dee-da-dee.
Well, there's no else happening. We might as well yodel, aren't we?
Diddle-dee-diddle-dee. Yodeling. Caribi.
From bounce. Gotta lock them doors and turn lights right low.
Why not? She's more famous now. It's on YouTube. Damn, my son.
Baranski. Maybe lock them doors and turn the lights down low.
No, I need a shite.
Yeah, you know what I was saying yesterday about I don't like setting pending orders on longs.
Yes.
It's because like if you think about it, so say you set a pending order at like 50 to go short and it slips you a little bit and you end up getting it at like 49.8 or something. Right, well if you go long, not only is your entry above where you actually want it, but also if you get slipped it pushes it even higher. It's like your entry is like in the proper crap place.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I think it feels worse as well because like if you go short you get the exact price you want, you're actually not up as much as the candle is up, but you can't see the spread. If you know what I mean?
Yeah, whereas you can. Well, it triggers you in, and you're not even at your byline, are you?
Yeah, exactly.
It's like no.
Yeah, that's why. If you go long, it wants to be on like a small spreaded pair. Small spreaded pair.
Nice.
All the 15-minute close below on dollar card.
Tap into the area, drive away. Lovely.
He's kind of come into that. There's like a bit of on the 15-minute on dollar card on the left. There's like some wicks. Oh, they're all green candles, but they're all some wicks. And I think this.
He died as bit ginger.
An area of concern me. An area of concern. That concerns me.
We've got a 5-minute entry on Euro Yen.
Woo! Right now Euro Yen's in quite a good position. It looks like it's going to go long, but
exactly, Jimmy. Exactly.
Just what you said. It's a higher high to the minor one, but to the significant one, it's a lower high.
Correct.
Bloody hell.
Correct. Correct.
Good.
Thing is, it's like an insanely tight stop. It's Euro Yen and it's not fast at all. Oh no, wrong line.
Doesn't turn the lights down low.
Babadim babu buddy. If I were doing this, I'd just go above the line. Whoa, it's glitching. It's glitching. Who do they call you? Mr. Glitching.
Oh, glitching.
Mr. Blitzer.
I know him.
Oh, come on, stop jumping, you piece of shit.
Oof, oof. That language is terrible.
4.1 pips. Stoppage.
You need to just calm yourself, dude. Baby, lock them doors and... Imagine if that setup actually works.
Yeah, well, just wait, it's gonna do. Signals. Oh, God, I'm Kevin. Hi, they call me Kevin.
Hello, Kevin.
Hello, baby. Hello,
What do you do in your free time?
I kiss.
I guess not.
They call me Kevin. Oh, no.
Kevin, when was you going to marry?
4.3 pips. Go! Do you know what the only crazy thing is? It actually might do this.
But yeah, I actually think that might work. Well, if this candle closes green, and then the next one pushes to the low of the red one before this one, it'll probably work.
What do you mean, the low of the red one before this one?
The low on the 5 minute. The low of that red candle before this candle. If this candle closes green, and then the next one pushes to the low of the red candle, it will probably work. It'll probably get short, and you can probably make a man.
Man.
Lock them doors and turn the lights down low. Dancing is a song that's sweet, nice and slow. Yeah, I'm glad that I'm not in dollar card. I wouldn't be.
No. It's a sweaty position, isn't it?
It's a sweaty position.
You're a very sweaty area to be in.
It's so sweaty! What if you're in just dies and everyone's dying with it? Take out the breakout. Yeah, guys, someone put like a 1 to 20 wrist reward on. Now watch this. I got a brand new super spotlight for the season. It's sick.
You're not listening to that, yeah?
No.
I reckon, yeah.
I'm not actually listening to it.
You just sit there in silence, you miserable bastard. You horrible man. You horrible man.
I put a song on it. If you're going to bully me. Baby, lock them doors and turn the lights down low. Is my voice at a normal volume now?
Yeah, it sounds better.
Yeah. It's because I was speaking quieter before, because my parents are in bed.
Little bitch. Right.
If I spoke at this volume, though, it's pretty freaking loud.
It's not.
Oh, my farts stink.
You're a dirty, smelly whore bag, aren't you, now, laddie?
You're a dirty man. Well, DJ didn't come to the load, did it, the bloody bastard?
For God's sake.
Bloody hell. Yeah, well, GJ's working. Like, do.
That would have been funny if I had done.
On a laugh.
You would have, should have, but you didn't.
That GJ setup would be 1.1% of right now.
Would it?
As soon as the candle pushed above that red one, I was like, yeah, I'm going long.
Oh, on the 30?
Yeah.
Okay. The question is, did it push above that candle, then create the lower wick, and then go? If so, you'd have been out.
No, it didn't.
I don't believe you.
It pushing up, it hadn't hit it, and it pushed up into it and then pushed. It kept pushing.
Yeah. It's actually quite good for you again, is this, to be fair?
Yeah, it could keep pushing up.
Yeah, I think it will do. Well, I don't know what to do now.
Yeah, the longs on the pound pairs were, they looked like they would work.
Yeah.
But
they made sense based on structure.
Yeah. Well, as soon as that candle broke that 30-minute candle on GJ, I thought it was going to go on. And the bullish, and the like in the lows. But it's just when a setup doesn't properly stand out to you.
Yeah, there's no point. There's no point. Because if it didn't do this, you'd just be like kicking yourself a little bit, saying, "Why didn't I wait for a clean one?"
Yeah. Yeah. Where is it?
I do think EJ is forming up into like a position that we'd take there, like for shorts.
Maybe. Looks very bullish.
Yeah, I guess these last few candles have kind of.
But that's where, like, if now, like, all joking aside, that 5-minute low, like, if this now like rejected and pushed back to that low, it's probably gonna go short.
Yeah.
Everyone will be like, it looks like such an obvious long right now. Everyone will be going long.
The only bad thing about it is the 30 minutes. But if a 30 minute were bearish, it would actually be really good. Because you'd have structure on the daily, the 4 hour, and the 30 minute in your direction.
Yeah.
I think you could get to this high with it. I think it'll come up to here. If it breaks here, it'll definitely go to there. But that's the thing. You're currently within 15 minutes supply demand of that for that leg, and you've created a higher high than the previous one. But you're underneath a significant one. So the zone that it's tapping into now.
The position, the chart position is perfect.
Yeah.
But the candles are suggesting something else.
Yeah.
Players only love.
Oh, you're a very quiet man in the morning.
I know.
Bum, bum, bum. I wanna fly.
Hello, thank you very much, dear. Thank you.
Mr. T-Man.
He's got to his age and he's only just got to brew party.
Thank you.
I don't think you don't shut somebody up quite well.
What's that? Well, it was shit.
It's going to be nice, man.
Yeah, well.
It's Sunday.
Well, it dropped. My computer went black, so I think other than that, it's alright. Why?
Because Mum was just running to get on the YouTube thing.
Alright, maybe it was Mum then that caused it.
Bloody hell.
Yeah, if it closes within supply demand and then it drops back out of supply demand, it's that that style entry that you were talking about, where you said if you're setting entries up, if you were setting sell stops up as it broke below the supply demand from the previous leg.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, well, maybe.
Not sure what you mean.
Ah!
Bloody hell, I can't even. I think we should stop the stream because I can't trade. There's that many questions coming through. It's affecting my
That'll be
trade.
your job if we get a lot of people.
It's your job.
It's not my job.
It's not my job.
Yeah, will it? I will it.
We can, we can talk amongst themselves. All these people.
I don't get it. I still don't get it. Oh, someone's on. Hello there, fellow viewer.
Oh, it's so funny. Well, how long have we been doing it now? 3 weeks?
No, 2 weeks.
No, this is the 3rd week.
No, it's not. We only did like one. I think we only did Friday. It was either Thursday or Friday.
Well, we've taken like so many.
A trade every day. There's been a trade every day.
We're taking a profitable trade that's hit target every single day on stream apart from one. And there's like one person watching.
Dickhead.
You don't mind, it's fine.
No, you don't want
One
that.
for us.
And the funny thing is, that's not even a lie. Like, you could actually go back and watch that. Yeah, the proof's there. That's the thing. You can't just like, you don't just say it.
That's a good thing about live streaming. Put your money where your mouth is, mate.
Literally just standing there with a £5 note in your face. Not funny.
Baby, get out my head. So, dollar card on the 30 minutes close below the low. You ready for a big boost or something?
No.
I have no idea.
No.
It's not for me.
No, there's not a great deal sniffing. It's tapped into that area though, isn't it?
Gives you a 5-minute time frame. Oh my god. How do you get to know? Get out my shed. Oh, you're listening to this morning on stream?
Listen to it. It's quite good actually. Electronic background music for studying.
So listen.
groovy.
Oh shit. Sounds like some like Ibiza.
So you get wired.
Sounds shite, mate. Imagine loads of dickheads with the man bags dancing around when you're at
Yeah, like strapped up here.
Yeah. The man bag. Shut up, you know. Yeah, my head.
Holy moly.
Sounds like you went, and they're all gonna go, Delilah.
Oh, you went.
Get out my head. Oh.
15-minute inside leg on EJ, I reckon. Not doing it yet, but I think I need it.
Yeah, nothing's filling me with a lot of confidence this morning. EJ's my favourite. Yellow card.
No.
I feel like it could work, but I would never take it. Unless I was in a very angry mood.
You're relying on momentum coming in now. And there's no way of like there's no way of there's no way to know that.
I know it.
You know it, I know it, but he don't know it.
Get out, you shit. Get out my shit.
Current viewer, make yourself known. Imagine. Hello there. I'm Panagram. It's funny, isn't it?
No.
Imagine like someone starts a live trading stream and just mugs people off and just says, "Yeah, we're going short now." And like the idea of it is to like just ruin everyone's life.
To do people over. Ah, dearie me. Get out my shit. Get out my shit.
I wouldn't do that. Yeah, like
a minute. The signal service is just wrong. Just random, random numbers.
pay £10 to never make any money.
How did you make all your money then? They're selling signals. Oh, do you know how to trade now?
No, I can't.
Just really good at convincing people. We will guarantee you 1,000 pips in a week.
But that, do you know what though? All jokes aside, that's exactly what some of these big companies do.
Pretty much. That's why. Well,
Like,
yeah,
he's not far off. That is not
they're
far
obviously not profitable, are they? Like the trades can't be consistent because otherwise everyone will be absolutely minted.
Yeah.
Like if it was as easy as just signing up to a signal thing and then following the trades and you can make consistent money, like everyone would be absolutely loaded.
Yeah, they would. Yeah.
So it's like, when people sign up, it's like, what do you think is going to happen? Like, are people stupid?
I know.
Are you silly? Still going to stand it.
They're looking at us. That's the thing. I do. It's the same as what I think. It's just like I don't know. Like
you
what?
think's always wrong though.
It's not.
You're wrong, you mate.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't get it. I don't get what people are thinking. Yeah, look at us, Jimmy. Big EJ, big dollar card even.
Big dollar cat. What we saying? Oh yeah. Told you we were gonna melt, didn't I? That's another thing that people do as well.
Yeah.
Like they'll like vaguely say something, so they're like, yeah, well, it could do this, but it might go up or go down. And then when it happens, like, oh yeah, I told you it was gonna do it.
Yeah. No, you didn't.
Just proper shitting on people. But I'm angry today.
Yeah, I don't like EJ's coming down anytime soon.
No, but it was making a higher low, so
Hmm.
it wasn't bearish until it hit For me, it wasn't really bearish till it hit that 4 hour low, but if it doesn't hit it, then obviously still bullish.
Yeah.
So, get out my Oh my god, tell me that you can. I don't get out my head. Who is the third watcher, please? Summon them to the chat.
No.
Make yourself known to us. You only want to talk to you.
Imagine.
Hello, this is Sambol from France. France?
Didn't sound French.
Someone doesn't speak the truth.
I'm Sambol from France.
Ah. Je m'appelle Sambol. there were a guy in Amazon yesterday that he's like, he was a black lad from, what's it called now? Ivory Coast, is it, isn't it?
Oh yeah, yeah.
And his first language was French. But when he said it, I was like, you do not look like you speak French. There's no way. But I think he did. Je m'appelle.
Bonjour, ça va? Ça va bien? Merci.
Bonjour, ça va bien, merci. Et toi? Et beaucoup.
He knows it.
Et toi? You're a twat.
A table for one.
Just like, et toi? And you're like, you're a twat. A twat, you prick. Get out, me, shit.
Well done, he's gone now, Jim.
I couldn't give a bloody crap. It's probably people like I think people who we know will just come on and just watch, and they would never put anything in the chat because they don't want you to know they're watching.
Yeah, probably.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Golden nuggets, they taste you.
Yeah, no, I honestly think people are like that. Like they would come on just to try and just to see if it's crap or not.
That's exactly what it is.
Probably not.
You are correct.
So why would someone come on and then not say anything and then just leave?
So I mean, you're free to say anything.
You're free to speak. I have spoken.
I have spoken. None of that anymore, now you're a gay boy.
Tell me close, tell me that you can read my mind. I didn't pull your hair, so baby, get out my head. Get out me shit. Bloody hell, EJ is bloody exploded me. Bye.
Bye.
Get out my head.
There's nothing going on, there's nothing going on, there's nothing going on.
To be fair, Dollar Card in the 15 minutes and stuff like that, it actually looks nice, like bearishness. But I don't know. The thing is, if something doesn't fill you with confidence, then you're not going to act correctly when you're in it. So there's no point anyway. Like the only way it would be a good outcome is if it absolutely rocketed in your way.
Yeah, it'd have to come all the way down here, I think. Straight away, more or less. Couple of 15-minute candles, but then still a couple of 15-minute candles is a while to sit through. Well, look at it now,
Yeah,
it's
I think,
rejecting
like-
off there anyway.
Yeah. Ah, you got to be careful. You got to be careful. That's the thing. Like, I think when you win a lot, you forget how like it's easy to just give back percentages for no reason.
Yeah.
And they rack up quick as well.
Yeah, they do.
Like being patient and like being quite alright to just sit out of the market is like the key skill. Like knowing when to be in it and when not to be.
Like Uncle Ted said, that's exactly what Uncle Ted says. He said it's like, it's just a capital protection game, isn't it? Really, you don't want to be. That's all it is. Like, if you're not making money because you're not in a trade, at least you're not losing money.
Oh. Yeah,
Yeah, I still think EJ in this last 5 minutes could pull back. To be fair, if it closes where it is now, it's game over. Definitely long, then. Where's he gone?
I think we should start a signal group and just send out random trades. Imagine if it did really well.
Could do
I
that.
was like, whoa, man, thank you.
The good thing with signal groups is you can get a subscription based thing.
Yeah, but we could actually do it.
He's gonna do it.
People don't want they don't want like, what's it called? They don't want like one trade a day or this, you know what I mean? Like obviously, like, well, if you're profitable, they probably won't mind. But like, people want to hear, oh yeah, we send you out like trades every single day. Because the only reason why you would be in a signal group is because you don't have a clue what you're doing. And then because you don't have a clue what you're doing, you don't understand that that's not how it works.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So people think, oh, that like, yeah, but this group sends you out like 20 trades a day, whereas this one only sends you out one.
Yeah,
You know what I
exactly.
mean? Like people think that more is better. 'Cause they're stupid.
Yeah, pretty tough. You'd have to be calling trades left, right, and centre. Plus, I don't think you can do it on the strategy that we do. They'd have to be taking the trade in the next 15 minutes, wouldn't they?
Yeah. The only way you could do it is like you would write in a group, like when you place the order, you write it in the group.
Yeah.
And then you say,
Has to be taken within the 15 minutes or within the half an hour.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, like it's like you basically just, and then you'd probably type in like when it's not valid anymore for entry.
Yeah. Yeah, you could actually do that. Let's do it. The thing is, who's going to want to pay for signals? Everyone.
Yeah, I think a lot of things say like 3 signals though.
Yeah, that's stupid, isn't it?
but they'll get some sort of commission somewhere.
Yeah. You might probably have to sign up to the brokerage or whatever. There was someone messaged the Instagram page about a broker, like a deal with a brokerage. Did you see the message?
Yeah, I think so. You just put back ammo, right?
Yeah, I did. Yeah. I wasn't it. Not today.
Yeah, you know the Alcadas like rejected that area. Like
Yeah.
I said before.
Yeah, look at EJ. Like EJ's starting to pull back slightly. Look on the small time frame. Look at the resistance where it's created. It hasn't broken above that significant one. That significant 15-minute previous time. It's closed above the closes though, which isn't good. Well, it's not a bad thing actually.
4 hour looks shit.
On EJ.
Yeah.
No. Nah, it
Only
looks
now
good.
though. Yeah, I'm gonna say only now. Like if this was a wick,
Yeah.
if this whole green body was just a wick.
Yeah.
I like it. Yeah.
What's it like on the 1 hour? Yeah, I think it actually looks quite good.
Simon.
Like I think if this 15-minute breaks the previous 15-minute, and then breaks the supply demand, and then the next one, you know, the supply demand of the previous leg,
Yeah.
and closes beneath, like down at 48, you get a wick up. Not a wick up, sorry, like a green close, like an inside leg. I think you could take that that's a pretty good shot.
Yeah.
And high enough up, you're above previous areas which you wouldn't want to like short because obviously the way that the structure's in.
Yeah.
Ideally, and the 4 hour is bearish.
Yeah, I think it's good. It's good as long as it gives some sort of short signal.
Yeah. Plus you've got a clean leg to trade into. Because if you're starting to get closes down at if you get a close down at like 480-ish, and then it wicks back up, you've got like 2-3 clean candles, haven't you, to the bottom of that leg, which you could then hold probably past, and then that would then run into the 4 hour trade.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Depends what happens in this next half an hour.
Blinko.
Bum bum ba-dum, bum 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 bum. But I'm just watching this thing, Jim, on Red Bull, and I always on 510 actually, but there's some Red Bull athletes doing it. It's an artificial climbing thing. It's 360 metre high. It's like 1,000 foot. It's 1,000 foot artificial wall. Massive. Do you know what? Once you get to that high, once you get to that high, you must start thinking about the drop beneath you when you're climbing.
Yeah.
Even if you're roped on.
Oh yeah. Definitely. Pretty scary, man.
Bum bum ba dum 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 dum.
Yeah, it's like anything. Like the higher you go, the more whoa, you are.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like vertigo.
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 In the ring of fire.
Where do you go? Fire.
Go down, down, down.
I got a ring of fire. My
In the
ring's
ring sting of fire.
My ring's sting fire.
It goes down, down, down to the ring of fire. Yeah, there's no pattern with the viewers though. I don't get it.
No, it's not.
Like some days it's just like there's no one. Some days there is. The thing is, I know like I think some of the streams like they don't stream today. Like I know Matt doesn't stream today.
Is it not?
No, so you'd think his like the ones who just come on there, you think they'd just hop on, wouldn't you? But
Unless they just bother.
unless they go to Montes, there's Montes as well.
Yeah.
Or Seed.fx, there's quite a few.
That's the thing, because they're all already like established.
Yeah,
It's different, isn't it?
yeah. It's not negotiable. Look at Jim, I tell you, EJ, keep your eyes
What are we
peeled.
looking at? What are we looking at here? I was looking on my maps to see where I was going today. It went down, down, down. The flames grew higher.
Nah,
It went down, down, down. And
I'm off to the toilet. Goodbye.
Bye, my lover. Bye, my friend. Oh. And the flames grew high. It went down, down, down. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do.
I want a bit low, didn't it?
What's that on EJ?
Yeah.
Yeah, the pound pairs are one day and two. And the flames went high. Yeah. Okay, let's do
Yeah, I went a bit low that.
For what?
EJ went a bit low to take an inside leg on.
Oh, right, yeah. Yeah, to be honest, the 4 hours the best one.
Yeah.
4 hour, mate, is the best. Anyone ever. I. Yeah, it would have been nice to that.
What's that?
EJ.
What if it had only made a small candle? On the 15, a small bearish candle. Like if it had come down to like 38, honestly, if it had come to like 48, and then closed at 48, and then the next candle would have pushed up, and then the next one had broke it, it would have been perfect, I think.
Yeah.
Now you'd have to short beneath 447, wouldn't you, which is too low.
447. Yes. What's wrong with my bloody internet?
Yeah, mine keeps tripping in and out. Yeah, look at that wick down there, man.
Yeah. What bloody hell does that mean?
That means no trades. No, there's actually very little this morning.
Yeah, there is.
There's nothing happening now.
It just came into that area, didn't it? And then
Yeah.
didn't it?
Yeah. Same with dollar. Yeah, look at dollar CAD there.
Not friggin' loading. Shit. Yeah, in that area, isn't it?
Yeah.
That I was talking about.
Yeah, it's funny, isn't it? When you see something that's just like perfect, it's just there's no hesitation or anything, is there whatsoever?
No, yeah.
Like you know exactly what when you see it, you know exactly what it is. But it's sometimes quite hard to describe, I think, sometimes to people.
Yeah. Who cares, me?
Yeah, I think most of the entries have been 15 minutes, haven't they?
Yeah.
I would say.
No, like proper clean moves though.
No, I mean our entries in general.
Yeah, it seems like that.
Yeah.
But it has to be. I think it's important. I think the main things are direction, chart position, and then like the proportion of the setup.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what EJ will do.
See, I was watching that Grand Tour last night.
Yeah.
They're in Madagascar. It looks proper. Obviously, it's like quite not third world. It's not that bad actually. To be fair, there's quite a bit going on, but it looks sick for surfing. Like you could even see the surf breaks like when they were just filming. Like they weren't even trying to film them, and you could see that they would do like good breaks. Yeah.
Madagascar.
Yeah.
Is it proper warm?
Yeah.
Is that near Australia? Oh, it's not near Australia.
No, it's in the Pacific. It's off the coast of Africa. Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. It's in the Pacific.
You gotta be more specific.
In the Pacific. Gotta be more specific.
Delicate will probably go long now.
Yeah. But yeah, so it's it's kind of like if you look at a map, and you look at Africa, it's like 3/4 of the way down on the right hand side off the coast. It's a couple of 100 miles off coast, I think.
Alright.
It's pretty big.
Yeah, I knew it was off the coast or somewhere. Is it on the? No, it's
the east side.
The east coast, yeah.
Yeah, the opposite side.
I kind of like half knew where it was.
Yeah, it's because they went to there's a place called Reunion Island, which is a French colony, which is like even further east than Madagascar, but it's in the Pacific as well. And apparently they've banned surfing there because since 2011 there's been like 4 fatal shark attacks, and they call it the Shark Highway. It's like something to do with the currents that run between there and Australia, and basically all the sharks feed. But yeah, this guy got attacked like 15 foot offshore, 20 foot offshore by a shark, and it like bit his leg off, sort of thing. So yeah, they've actually banned surfing. You can't surf there.
No.
That's Reunion Island. You can surf in Madagascar, I think.
Yeah. That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
That's nuts. That.
Yeah, I'd like to go to a proper like third world place just to surf. I bet it's pretty cool because there's no like big fancy like like you surf here and there's like it's very it's not industrial, but there's all like houses and stuff in there, and it looks it's not like you're just out in the random place and there's just trees around you.
Yeah.
Like, I bet it's sick when it's like that.
Yeah, definitely.
Like Sri Lanka or something like that. Or Costa Rica maybe.
Yeah, I think it'll be quieter as well, depending where you go.
Yeah, definitely. Stand on the sea urchin. Hey, another one.
Yeah. You look at Delicat's pushing a little bit.
Yeah. $1 coming short.
Yeah, that Delicate, like, when I said it's probably going to go long from here, it just literally started pushing like straight away.
Yeah.
It just the pattern looks right there. Not sure what EJ will do.
No, it's kind of paused, isn't it?
Pause.
Posh.
Pause. Chicky boom. Chicky boom. Chicky boom. Yeah, see, I kind of got that feeling on Delicadra. I was like, yeah, that's definitely going to go on. It's kind of the same as I did on GJ out of that break that candle.
Yeah.
I kind of got that feeling on Delicad. You know where you're like, you know what's going to happen. And that's doing pretty well. It made sense. Short failed. Up above that neckline again.
No, it was off to the races. Nathan dropped out.
I was like, I'm not going to take it.
And we're back in now. Well, now to be fair, Dollar's given a pullback on the 30-minute. You could actually be good for. Well, it's daily instruction. Now the instructions bearish on the daily, but yeah, maybe like breaks out the high now. But
yeah, if I'm going to take it, I'd have taken that entry that I said.
You said you were going to do.
If I was going to take it, I would have taken the entry that I said.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Mexico looks pretty good for surfing as well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what though, I think we'd like die, we'd get burnt to shreds.
Oh yeah, salt water and the heat.
Yeah, well you see like when they go, like when Team Lotto and all that, or like Koa, they go down, they look red, and they're like brown.
Yeah, it's nuts, isn't it?
So we'd be like, crisp, we'd come out like fried. We'd probably be ill actually, we'd probably get sunstroke.
Yeah, it wouldn't be fun that.
No, it's too hot, is that? Like you said, Tenerife in winter's good. That's a nice temperature, that's like 20s, and you still burn your face to shreds there, to be fair.
Yeah, I wonder if it... Well, yeah, we went in winter as well, didn't we?
Yeah. The sun's definitely not as strong in winter.
Yeah, well, I'd definitely like to go in summer. It's hot enough in winter.
Yeah. It gets like 40 degrees in summer.
That'd be brutal. That'd be brutal, mate. That'd be brutal. I didn't see that on EU. There was like a little inside leg on the 15-minute at a high point, but it went down, hit structure, and then now it's proper like pulled back.
Oh yeah.
I didn't see that, mate. I did not see that. Trying to look on maps when I'm off today. Trying to look on the bloody maps.
Why do you not know?
Well, so he gave me a postcode, but then he said people go to the wrong place when they go on that. It's across from Absolute Warehouse. Apparently.
I see.
Yes, I'm scared. Yeah, AJ didn't go short, did it? It
No.
just held the zone, yeah. Held the zone.
The zone?
Yo. I held the bloody zone. The little dollar card just flipped back.
We're back short.
Yeah.
No, it's back at 60, isn't it? That is chopper.
Yeah, it's all of it shot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, what a shot. To be fair, like that EU, like, although, I mean, I didn't see it, but like, taking that out of that low, like it did look quite clean, but like the position of the chart, it's not in, it's like proper in the lows, isn't it?
It's really low down, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, because you're pretty solidly bearish on Euro US dollar. Like, you 4 out of the 5 things that I've got down are bearish. The only thing that's not is the 30 minute.
It's 30 minute. Still, isn't it? After that the big move up.
It's sitting in.
Move up.
Sitting in.
I think that makes a big difference. That really, if you're going to be trading 15, 30 or hourly, you need the 4 hour to be on your side and the 30 minute.
Yeah, you need them. You need them both on your side, really.
Yeah, because on EU the 15 minute isn't even bearish.
Is it not?
Even the 15 minutes bullish. Oh my god. Another way. Proper choppy market.
Yeah, I'm thinking about just calling it.
Yeah.
To be honest.
We're not going to take that.
No.
Because.
And there's no one on. It's not like we're speaking to anyone.
No, yeah. What was I going to see? Yeah, it's too bloody choppy.
It looks like a lot of the pairs are at the top of the moves for the structure that they're in. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So like all the structures are flipped into a lot of the pairs' direction, but they're right at the top of like a range or the bottom of a leg, and they're like you might have like the 30 minute which is flipped in your direction, but all the other time frames aren't.
Yeah.
So it's really hard to trade.
Yeah, but in like a contradicting place.
Yeah, and that's why everything's choppy. That's why everything looks really choppy as well. You find when it gets that as well, because price compresses. If you look at a lot of the charts, the price has been squoze into a single. But like if you zoom out on most charts, you can draw like when they call them. What do they call them? I think like pennants or something, where you can draw. It's like a flag, but where the end squeezes together. What's it called? That is it? Pennant.
Yeah.
It's a pennant, isn't it? You can draw that on most of them. If you look what I've just drawn in a minute on the stream. Everything's squeezing in like that.
What are we looking at? Put
Covered.
it
Isn't it?
all behind? I don't know, you're just drawing it. Yeah. Yeah.
Everything's doing that. That's like the 15-minute time frame, so like, but you can see it on the 4 hour as well. If you go on the 4 hour, the 4 hour candles are very sideways. But they've trended this week. They've been good this week. So.
Yeah, that's the thing. They've been good for the last few weeks. Yep. Poly Energy shares up over 8%.
Are you still in that?
I have no idea.
Well managed, Jim, well managed. I honestly think pound yen is the cleanest pair at the moment.
Yeah, I thought so. I was thinking the same.
G's in a range. Euro US dollar is the wickiest thing you've ever seen in your life.
Wiki, but the direction's clear.
Yeah, EJ
That's
is
the only thing.
EJ's sideways. It's in like a little range. Dollar CAD is it's very like overbought. It's made a massive bullish leg right at the high. So everything's bullish, but you want to go short. Other than daily structure's still there. And so pound yen is the only really one that I would say.
Yeah, I thought that when I looked at the 4 hour today.
Yeah, the only thing which is you're still beneath so the only thing that's bearish is the daily. But it's been bearish on the daily for ages because it made that massive bearish leg, which is like working its way up that leg.
Yeah. Working your way up the leg there.
Yeah, I might just leave it and come back later on and have a look.
Come back. Yeah, it's right there. You gotta remember that. You must remember. Adam.
What?
It is Friday.
Oh, true, yeah.
You've got
I might not even bother then. I might just call it.
Yeah. I think, a smart thing to do on the... Well, last Friday there was like something straight away, wasn't there?
Yeah.
Whereas this Friday...
Yeah, I think if you're not getting in that initial one, then you that's good.
I will.
Yes. Yeah, it's looking as though I think it's just going to be chop back.
Yeah. I am not interested. I'm a Yogi Bear. I'm a Yogi Bear. I knew it only after given out it.
It's a really clean area, this on pound dollar, and it's coming into, but you're bullish on all the time frames, apart from the day of the candle.
Yeah, it's a bit too clean.
Yeah, you're bullish on everything.
Well,
yeah,
that's what I mean. It's all bullish, and it's a bit too clean.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? And if you actually look on the 15-minute, it's actually coming to that area where there's like some wicks.
Yeah.
So,
no, I'm not gonna. I won't gonna trade it.
Yeah.
Right. I'm not asked for sitting here any longer. I don't think there's no point.
No. Okay.
I'm hungry anyway.
Yeah, mum.
Yes.
Adios.
Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Goodbye.